Hi children, now let us deal with the worksheet number 1. First question, read the given words aloud and identify silent letter. You have to read this given words and you have to identify the silent word, silent letter. The first one is walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Here L is silent. That is why L is to be identified. Next one, what, W-H-A-T, what. In this word, H is silent. Next word, watch, W-A-T-C-H. In this word, T is silent. In the same way, next word, M-A-T-C-H, match. Here also, T is silent. Next word, K-N-I-F-E, knife, knife. That means K is silent here. L-A-M-B, not lamb, lamb. Here B is silent. We should not pronounce B here. You have to pronounce this word as lamb, lamb. That is why the letter B is not pronounced here. Next, right. Here W is silent. H-A-L-F, off. Here L is silent. Next word, C-O-U-L-D, could. Here L is silent. I-S-L-A-N-D, island. Island, not Island, island. That is why S is silent in this letter, in this word. C-A-L-M, calm. Here L is silent in this word calm. Ghost, G-H-O-S-T, ghost. In this word H is silent. Next, H-O-E-R, not hour, hour. H is silent here. In the same way, the next word is H-O-N-E-S-T, honest, not honest, honest. Therefore, H is silent here. Next word, B-U-T-C-H-E-R, B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. Butcher means butcher. Here in this word, T is silent here. Butcher, T is silent. The last word, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn, autumn. Here N is silent. Now come to the second question. Make compound word from the table below. Here table is given. You have to make compound words. Gateway, gateway. Next, birthday, birthday. Grandmother, grandfather, grandfather. Again, grandmother, grandmother. S-E-N, sun, D-A-Y, day, Sunday. This way, you have to write the compound words. The next one, first one is moon, second one is sun, third one is head, fourth one is head, fifth one is hand. Here work, wood, light, kerchief, master. Now moon, light, moonlight, sun, light, sunlight, head, light, headlight, head, master, headmaster, hand, kerchief, handkerchief, handkerchief. Okay. Next, third one, separate the compound words given below into two simple words. Here the compound word is given. You have to divide these compound words into two simple words. Separate. You have to separate the simple words from this compound word. Blackboard, blackboard, blackboard. Black is one word letter and black is one word, board is another word. In the same way, classroom. Class is the first word, room is the second word. Clock tower. Clock is the first word, tower is the second word. Next one, head constable. Head is the first word, constable is the second word. News report. News is the first word, report is the second word. Children, next question, fourth one. Match the words choosing in one word from list A and another word from list B. Here two lists are given, list A and list B. You have to choose one word from list A and you have to choose another word from list B. You have to choose a word from list A and you have to match this word from list A with the word from list B. This is the task given to us. Let us consider list A: fresh, clean, dirty, sweet, beautiful. And in list B: water, roads, potato, doll, table. Now consider fresh vegetables, clean water, dirty roads, sweet potato, beautiful doll, round table. Like that you can write. Now come to the fifth one and last one. Write the following words in an alphabetical order. Here some words are given. You have to rearrange the words in the alphabetical order. Now let us read the given words: hen, cat, parrot, box, van, goat, ox, dog, ice, Jew, queen, egg. Let us see whether there is any word starting with A. But among these words we can't find any word start with A. So we have to go to the next letter B. And there is a word BYX, box, which start with the letter B. You have to write that word in the beginning. The first word is BYX, box. Now let us verify whether there is any word starting with C. Here CIT, cat is there. You have to write CIT, cat. After C, D comes. With the letter D, you can write DOG, dog. After D, the letter E comes. With the letter E, there is a word EGG, egg. You have to write it. After E, the letter G comes. With the letter G, GOAT, goat is there. GOAT is there. You have to write that. After G, H is there. With the H, HEN, hen is there. You have to write that word. After H, the letter I comes. With the letter I, ice is there. You have to write that word here. After I, J comes. But here, with the letter J, there is no word. In the same way, with the letter K also, there is no word. After K, L comes. With the letter L also, there is no word. After L, M comes. Here also, there is no word which starts with letter M. Now let us consider N. After M, N comes. That is why you have to verify, you have to check whether there is any word starts with N. But here no word which starts with N. Now let us go to letter O. Here with letter O, there is a word OX, ox. After O, what is the next letter? P. With the letter P, there is one word PRROT, parrot. After P, Q comes. With the letter Q, there is a word queen. After Q, what is the next letter? R. After Q, the next letter is R, but there is no word which starts with the letter R. Now let us consider the next letter after R, S. But here there is no word which starts with R, S, or T. Next, let us search if there is any word which start with U. Here with the letter U also there is no word. So we have to consider the letter V. With the letter V there is a word VAN, van. After V, W comes, but there is no word which starts with W. In the same way, next you have to go to the next letter X. With the letter X there is no word which starts with X. And in the same way, there is no word which starts with letter Y. Now let us come to the last letter of the alphabet, Z. But here with the letter Z there is a word ZOO, Jew. ZOO, Jew. Ju is the last word. Now all the words are over. Now task is completed. Okay, I think and hope that you have got these things. Thank you one and all. Let us meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.
Dear viewers, please watch, like, share, and subscribe our English channel so that I can make more videos on spoken English also. Thank you one and all.